Learning user experience design simply happens in 3 steps. Step number 1, understanding the concept. At this very stage, you go forward and try to understand all the theoretical concepts. For example, law of UX design, principles of design, types of UX research, information architecture, user flow, user journey. At this very stage, you make sure that you understand the basic principle behind anything and everything that you have to use as a UX designer. All the frameworks that is actually used as a UX designer, you have to make sure that you first start with the theory part of it. Stage number 2 is going to be learning the tools. Well, as a UX designer, the amount of work that you do is fallen into multiple categories. For example, documentation process, research, presentation, wireframes, and for every one of these tasks, you have a specific tool. For example, for documentation process, you have Notion and Google Doc. For ideation and brainstorming, you have Miro and FigJam. For doing all the design work and prototyping, you have Figma. So that is why the moment you learn anything as a UX designer, you would actually need a tool to implement those. And that is where the stage number 2 comes, practicing something that you have actually learned in the theoretical phase. All the UX deliverables and the theory that you have learned